Hey guys, Jeff here from ZenTrader.ca. I got some sectors here before we get to my market timing information. Start off here with the real estate index. This is a sector which has been down since May, like really down. Found some support down here, but right now I'm not liking what I'm seeing in the technicals and with the RSI. You've got an RSI which is bearish, meaning 60 should be the up resistance level. We're right there right now, and we've kind of come too far too fast, and we got a rising bearish wedge forming. I just don't see this going too much further, which probably is not good for the general markets, but I don't really know how well. I haven't really been paying that much close attention to the real estate index to know how much it's correlated to the general markets. I'm pretty bullish on the general markets, but tomorrow is going to be kind of a crazy day. I'll get to in a bit. One sector which is, I would say this is a bit of a surprise, is the airline sector, and this is a really good example of how RSI, like really extremely bullish RSI, can foretell a further or continuation move in that direction. And so, when we get an RSI like that, it kind of confirms that the bulls are completely in control, and so it should find some support around 40. So it should oscillate between 80 and 40. And you can see here, this is like 90-ish nearly, but look at this, boom, right, bounced right at 40, went up. If you took that trade, I would have been selling into this resistance, because it did sell off, and even though we've hit new highs, we are seeing some negative divergence here. So this is a bit of a concern as well, but it's still good to see the airlines leading. In an economy where everyone continues to question the recovery, this says that the economy is semi-recovering, so something to keep an eye on. Pharmaceuticals have been, I have seen so many stocks showing up on my momentum scans, but it looks like it's consolidating here. We've got, this nearly made a new high. It had a new closing high, and the RSI continues to trade down. What I think is going to happen is it may make one more push down here, down to 40. I don't know what that'll equate to in terms of the stock price. Maybe it'll come here to the middle Bollinger Band. Maybe it'll go a little further, and then it'll probably break out of this range that it's in. But I mean, this is some bullish behavior. But in the very short term, I'm not sure. It looks like it's running out of steam a little bit. Something to keep an eye on. And then the last sector is the defense index. I started noticing this sector when I saw this RSI, and it has not had a proper pullback down to the 40. And I would say that this sector is getting ready to have some sort of a pullback. We have a huge move, a diamond kind of pattern, and a breakout of that. This isn't quite a measured move here, so maybe we go up more, and then we have that extended pullback down to 40, so something to keep an eye on. So time's running out, so I want to get to the index charts. Tomorrow's going to be a crazy day. Microsoft and Google reported earnings, and the market didn't like it. NASDAQ was immediately down 1% shortly after the market closed. I saw somebody tweet something about Detroit file bankruptcy, and options expiration. So it's going to be a crazy day. And Pomo is tomorrow. I think tomorrow, I think the open is going to be the lows of the day. I don't know how low it's going to go. I don't know how low we're going to open. But we've got a market where my timing signal is bullish, and it has not actually triggered a buy signal on the indexes yet. And I was expecting some sort of a pullback, and in my opinion, this is actually quite perfect, because it's enough of a scare factor that it's gonna shake some people out of some positions. It's not this, cause everyone always wants a nice controlled, calm pullback. So this could be kind of ugly at the open, but I think I'm going to be viewing it as a buying opportunity, unless we open down like 3%. Then forget that. That's just going to be a day to sit it out. But I think tomorrow could be a buying opportunity.